like it was written in the stars. I'd see someone in the dark for me. Hi. Oh, that felt nice. Thank you. Promise me will always be walking the road together, hand in hand, where dreams never end. My star, secret friend, and me. When someone in the dark reaches out to you, it touches off a spark that comes shining through. It tells you never be afraid. Then somewhere in your heart you can feel a glow, a light that keeps you warm when the night winds blow. Like, look for the rainbow in the sky. For I believe you and me will never really say goodbye. Forever we will be. I'll look up and see that someone in the dark for me. Wherever you will be, I look up and see that someone in the dark for me. Thank you very much. This is Green Monster, everybody. Green Monster.